are in Hagerstown, Maryland, visiting the headquarters of JLG Industries, celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. JLG is dedicated to creating a better way to work at height.
JLG is the world's leader in the design and manufacture of access equipment.
We make all kinds of construction equipment which keep people safe and productive at height.
Formed in 1969, JLG pioneered the access industry from its early beginnings by manufacturing the first aerial work platform.
John L. Grove founded the company in a little mountain community called McConnellsburg in 1969 with just himself and 3 small investors. They would soon transform the construction equipment industry with the introduction of the world's first aerial work platform.
He was passionate about innovation, passionate about keeping people safe, and since then the company has grown to now over 6,000 people. He was all about understanding the unmet needs of the customers.
One of the secrets of JLG Success is that they focus on customer first and foremost.
The customer is at the center of how we think about all problems when it comes to developing products. It's about making sure that they have the right training tools to use the product effectively. So all those things are key to our innovation process, what we again call customer-inspired innovation. We are confident that that's going to allow us to remain #1 market leader in this space for the next 50 years.
A spirit of pioneering that has constantly pushed the boundaries in the access industry. As an example, the 1850 SJ was introduced in 2014 and remains the largest self-propelled boom lift in the world.
We've been first industry in aerial work platforms, but that's not all that we do. We now have a full line of electric scissor lifts, hydraulic scissor lifts, telescopic material handlers, and verticals. And most recently, we're introducing a line of low-level access, which we believe will be a safer alternative to the conventional ladder.
We're now in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania, where JLG University offers training for operators on how the equipment works and how it can keep them safe.
We have the operator training, which is train the trainer, and how do we operate the machines. And then the service training is how do any of these machines work.
The training center really provides hands-on for those trainers that want to come in. The more people we can train in this industry by whatever means makes the industry safer and stronger.
We offer all kinds of courses online, and increasingly we are offering those courses in a virtual reality an augmented reality setting that allows our operators to learn those things at their own pace.
We were the first of the industry with this type of training, but the people get in the virtual reality and they operate the machine just as if they were in a construction site. It's a powerful training tool that I think is really the future.
JLG University offers Access Ready as part of its Train the Trainer program.
It's another innovation, really, where Access Ready is a portal for operators to get training, and then they can join on that website, and it advertises their ability to train operators for the world.
JLG is a global company with offices in 5 different continents. Part of this success is due to a nature of innovation and excellence in the manufacturing of their products.
Today, we have factories around the world employing over 6,000 people, so we are really a truly global company serving our global customers.
We continue to look for ways to leverage connected machines and IoT, one of which is the iPhone, that we now can control the scissors remotely.
JLG was the first in the industry to offer a SkyGuard solution, which allows people to work at height, and when they come in contact with an obstacle, the SkyGuard function allows for reversing of the machine. So we'll continue to add more and more products that will increase the safety of our machines.
Having started as an industry pioneer, on its 50th anniversary, JLG Industry remains a leader thanks to a culture of innovation.
We listen to our customers, we understand what their struggles are, what their unmet needs are, and that really motivates us and inspires us to develop solutions for them to keep them safe and keep them productive.
business, success, and the safety of our customers remain our #1 priority. And one thing I can tell you for sure is that you will always see JLG at the forefront of access innovation.
For more information, visit jlg.com or insidetheblueprint.com.